The Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty brings you this adorable 3-bedroom, 3-level lake country home near Lake Norfork. Let's catch up with Heather and Tracy and take a look.
Hi, I'm Heather Hendricks with the Ozarks team at Century 21 Lemac Realty with my partner John Shaw behind the camera.
Hi there.
And Tracy Cox.
Hello.
And today we are here just outside of the city limits of Mountain Home at this beautiful home with 6 acres. And Tracy, tell us a little bit about it.
Well, you can't beat the location. We are here at 897 County Road 396 in Mountain Home, and we are about to take a look at this spacious 3-level home, 2 stories and a basement. You're going to have lots of room to do things in this house.
Awesome.
You've got some woods in the back. You've got a nice country view, so I'm excited for everybody to see it.
I am too.
I was flying the drone a few minutes ago, and I noticed that there's a lake all around us.
Really?
Yeah, I mean, you're just like a couple of minutes from Henderson Marina.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's right.
This almost could be an island.
Woods.
Right here in Norfolk.
Yep. Right here.
Exactly.
Well, let's look at this house.
Yeah.
Let's go.
I love this front porch.
Hey,
Hey,
guys.
John. Nice little entryway into the living room area.
Yeah. This is a nice sized living room.
It is.
There's a lot of
I
light.
know.
I love the windows. I like the wood look, and it just brings out the natural tones, I think, of the...
That's right.
Look at how much room there is in here.
I know, yeah.
And it's all open to the dining room area. Perfect for entertaining.
4 large windows.
And that goes out to a really nice deck.
Sliding glass door, absolutely. Look out while you're eating your dinner or breakfast. And then you have this little nice kitchen in here.
It is nice. I love all the cabinets even on this side.
And I really do love the wood tones. You know, I'm glad those are coming back now. I think it just brings out the natural vibe of the house, especially when you're in the country living.
Yeah.
So,
This is a very spacious kitchen. I mean, plenty of counter space and cabinets.
right. Absolutely. You've got some Lazy Susans here, cabinets. I really do like those. And then Heather, just off the kitchen here, you've got a nice little laundry.
Oh, I like this door.
So you can be cooking dinner and doing laundry.
And you have access to the deck, so if you're outside working, you can bring your clothes in, throw them in there.
There's lots of accesses to the deck in this level.
So on this level, how many bedrooms are there?
There is a main bedroom and bath on this level.
Okay, well,
Two on the upper level.
let's take a look.
Let's go check it out.
I do like that the primary is on the main level.
Yes, that's always nice.
John, you want to check out the pantry there before we go in there? It is. I just noticed that.
Where'd you go, TC?
Enter into my suite.
Oh my. And just like he said, plenty of access to that beautiful deck.
Yes. Nice sized bedroom. Access to the deck.
Yeah, and you've got your walk-in closet just right behind the door.
Great ceilings. Heather, where are you?
Over here.
Oh, that is a huge closet.
It is. And you've got built-ins.
Oh my.
You can stack your tubs and stuff for your winter clothes or your spring clothes, switch them out.
And when you wake up, you just step into this nice sized bathroom.
Wow, it is a large deck.
I love that tub.
You can soak in that thing. How do you like this nice big window that you can look out of?
So you got a
Very
beautiful
nice.
tub.
You've got double sinks in here. Very nice countertop.
Yeah, that's a great finish. Super duper, Heather.
Well, let's go check out the other 2 rooms that are upstairs. I like that it just circles around, and you do have a whole half bath right here for your guest.
Okay.
They don't have to go traipsing all through the house to use
Yes.
the restroom.
Wow, this is so sweet, isn't it?
Now, John, wait just a minute and let me get right here on the banister.
All
Do my-
right.
Do your way. Do your way. There is your 2023 realtor here.
And Do notice that you have a separate thermostat up here with a little bit warmer up here. You can turn it down a little bit.
Everybody knows the levels are different temperatures, so
exactly.
It's nice to have that.
So bedroom 1. And wow.
Same beautiful wood windows. And oh my.
Here we are.
Yeah, that's huge.
Look, you can put your shoes on right here.
Wow.
You know, and I always love these because I always think of putting like a little reading nook.
Yeah.
I love that it overlooks the backyard.
Yeah, I could see a chair, a table, or a little lounge there, a little reading nook, playroom.
After you, Tracy.
All right, let's go just right across the hall here. We might as well stop in between and check out the bathroom, full bath upstairs.
Wow. Tub shower combo.
You've got a little linen closet here.
Excellent. And what do we have here? More of those beautiful windows.
More bedroom.
Yes, very nice. It is. Very nice.
Yeah.
Well, Tracy, there's more?
There's more.
Okay. Where to next?
All right, follow the leader. Now, John, as we swoop back around to the living room, dining room area is the staircase to the basement.
And another
And
beautiful door.
yes.
You
Wow.
can close it off if you don't want it.
That way, if you're having game night or something, you know, there's some separation. You won't have to listen to everybody down here. Well, this is a nice size, like family room, game room.
Wow.
Hello!
Hi, come over here.
Hold on a minute, I gotta shoot some pool here.
There you go. I like that.
A little shuffleball.
I think you have to climb all the way upstairs to use the restroom.
Well, you don't have to, because right around here, you've got your another half bath.
So nice. And those beautiful wood windows and access up the back.
Yes. You know, you could have the garages down here as well, so this could be a separate living quarters.
Absolutely, yeah.
You could definitely make it like a studio apartment where everything's open.
And I love how you can go out onto the patio out back, through the doors, and look at nature.
All right, let's check out the garage. When we go outside, you'll see that there's a ton of parking.
Wow, this is a large garage. I need room for a bench there. You need to take a shop.
That's right. Or even over here.
Over here, yeah.
Oh, yes. And I noticed that there's water right there. And so you could have a utility sink if you wanted.
That's right.
And more windows, even in the garage.
You've got a good scene wherever you are.
You know, just looking at how well this house is made, really got good bubbles in it.
Oh, it does. It's very cute.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right, well, I'm ready to check out the deck.
All right, let's go do it.
Well, hey, John, you beat us out here.
I did. I had to get out here.
I know. I could imagine putting some patio furniture out here and relaxing, drinking your coffee.
This is where I would love to stay. Look out, watch the deer.
I'm sure there are a ton of deer out here. Or turkey, even.
Yeah.
You do have a couple of level spots, too, if you have kids and want to put a playground or a pool or trampoline out there.
Or a shop, yeah. An extra
Oh, a shop,
You could put
yes.
a shop over here. Build one.
There's even a drive down there.
Yeah, there's plenty of parking if you have your camper or your boat, since we are close to Lake Norfolk. All right,
Absolutely.
And Tracy, I did notice there's Next Fiber Internet. So
Awesome.
if you work from home, this would be ideal.
Yes, absolutely.
And we are less than 10 minutes to Walmart, to the schools. It's awesome.
Just get that peaceful, serene feeling out here. But close to town if you need to be.
Yes, exactly. Well, Tracy, what do you think?
I think it's a great house. I mean, if you've got a growing family or you've got a lot of people that come in to visit you at the lake, this would be the perfect place.
Oh, for sure. A little vacation home even.
Absolutely. You've got the room, you've got separate quarters. Everybody can spread out, so.
And that basement would make a great retirement hobby room.
Absolutely.
Oh, yes.
You know, if
Yes.
you wanted some room to
Yep.
finally do the things that you always wanted to do.
There it is.
That's right.
Absolutely. So Heather, somebody wanted to find out more information about it. What do they need to do?
Well, they can go to enjoytheozarks.com or find us on Facebook, Google, or YouTube. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye. If you'd like to know more about this amazing lake home, contact the Ozarks team. Go to enjoytheozarks.com or search for the Ozarks team on social media. The Ozarks team, Century 21 Lemac Realty, 1024 Highway 62B East in Mountain Home, Arkansas.